Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about a process through which we can convert the fixed format code into free format. For this, we will use one extension of VS Code. So let's discuss about it. So right now, if I select this entire code and if I press right click on the selected code, then there is no option for converting it to free format. But we can enable this option by installing one extension. So let's install that extension. So for that you have to just click on this extensions. But before that, I'm assuming that you all know how to connect your machine, machine with VS Code, your IBMi machine, and also you are aware like how to create the filter and browse your code, because right now I'm directly browsing this code which is written in fixed format. If you are not aware of these two things, then we have already created two sessions for the same, like one where we are discussing how to connect the IBMi machine with VS Code, and another one is where we are discussing how to create the filter and browse the code. Okay, so this session is in the continuation of same. So here we will mainly discuss how to install that extension which will help us to convert the fixed code to free code. Okay, so now just simply click on this extension block, and here you have to simply write RPGLE free. After that you have to hit enter. So it will show code some code extensions. So from this you have to install the first one, which is given by the Brian. Okay, and then just simply click here on install. So it will take few seconds and it will install the extension. Once it is installed, then you have to simply close it. Yeah, so it is now installed because now it is allowing us for uninstalling it. So it is installed. Now simply click on cross and just go back to your code. Now here on code, what you need to do, you have to select your entire code which is written in fixed format. So I have selected it by pressing Ctrl A, then press right click on the selected code, and here you can see now we have option convert to free format. So if you click here on convert to free format, it will convert your entire code into free format. Okay, so this is the advantage of this extension. Through this extension we can simply convert the code to free format. Okay, but two things are there that we need to take care of. First one is the default language should be RPGLE only. So make sure that here the selected language is indicating RPGLE. If it is not RPGLE, then simply click here and it will open the select language mode. Here you can simply write RPGLE and just select your RPGLE. Okay, so if it is not in set to RPGLE, then this will not work. Second thing, the code which we are converting should be correct and should be on the proper positioning. Like as we know, like fixed format is always comes with fixed positions of each and everything, even the specs and the values that we are using or ports we are using, so they have some specific positions. So it should be in the same specific position, otherwise it will not work. So these are the two things that we need to take care of. First one, the position should be proper, the code which we are converting from fixed format should be proper, and second thing, the selected language should be RPGLE only, otherwise it will not work. If these two conditions are satisfied, then you can simply select your code, press right click and just simply go and click here on the click to convert free format, and then it will convert your code to free format. So this is very useful extension because nowadays we are modernizing our RPGLE code. So it is always a good approach to write the code in fully free format only. So if you have some code which is written in fixed format, then you can use this extension to convert your fixed format code into free format. So I hope you like this video, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.